Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Gap Calculator, how to find the shortfall to financial freedom. A Dividend Wealth Gap Calculator is a simple tool that helps you measure the difference between the passive income you want and the dividend income you currently have. In other words, it shows how far you are from your financial freedom goal and helps you estimate what it may take to close that gap. To begin with, the first step is to set your target monthly dividend income. This means deciding how much income you want your portfolio to generate every month. For example, if your goal is $3,000 per month, that number becomes your target. Next, you enter your current monthly dividend income. This is the amount your portfolio is already producing right now. For instance, if your investments currently generate $1,200 per month, that is your present income level. Then, you find the dividend income gap by subtracting your current monthly dividend income from your target monthly dividend income. So, if your target is $3,000 and your current income is $1,200, the gap is $1,800 per month. After that, to understand the yearly shortfall, you multiply $1,800 by 12, which gives you $21,600 per year. After identifying the gap, the next step is to choose a target dividend yield. Usually, a realistic yield may fall within a range such as 3% to 5%, depending on the quality of stocks or dividend ETFs you are considering. In this example, a 4% yield is used. Once the yield is selected, you can calculate the extra capital needed to close the gap. To do that, divide the annual income gap by the dividend yield. So, $21,600 divided by 0.04 gives $540,000. This means you may need an additional portfolio value of $540,000 to generate the missing income at a 4% yield. However, it is wise to add a safety margin. This is important because inflation, taxes, dividend cuts, and market uncertainty can all affect the income you receive. Therefore, if you apply a 10% safety buffer, $540,000 becomes $594,000. As a result, the safer target to close the wealth gap would be $594,000. Moreover, this calculator can be made more useful by including several important inputs, such as your target monthly dividend income, current monthly dividend income, target dividend yield, current portfolio value, monthly contribution, years to target date, expected annual growth, reinvestment assumption, safety margin, tax assumption, and inflation assumption. All these inputs help create a more practical estimate. For example, the quick snapshot in this case is very clear. The target income is $3,000 per month, while the current dividend income is $1,200 per month. Therefore, the monthly gap is $1,800, and the annual gap is $21,600. Then, using a 4% yield, the additional capital needed becomes $540,000, and with a 10% buffer, the final adjusted target rises to $594,000. At the same time, there are several ways to close the gap faster. You can increase your monthly contributions so your portfolio grows more quickly. You can also reinvest dividends through DRIP, which helps compounding work in your favor. In addition, focusing on dividend growth companies may help your income rise over time, while better diversification and strong quality investments can improve long-term stability. Furthermore, starting early and staying consistent often makes a huge difference. On the other hand, there are a few simple rules to remember. A lower dividend yield means you will need more capital to reach the same income target. Meanwhile, dividend growth can help reduce the long-term gap as your income rises over time. Most importantly, consistency and compounding usually matter more than chasing very high yields. Finally, the key formulas are easy to understand. Income gap equals target monthly dividend income minus current monthly dividend income. Annual gap equals monthly gap multiplied by 12. Additional capital needed equals annual gap divided by dividend yield. Then, adjusted capital gap equals additional capital needed plus the safety margin. So, a dividend wealth gap calculator is a practical planning tool because it turns your financial freedom dream into a measurable number. It helps you clearly see where you stand today, what income shortfall remains, and how much extra capital may be needed to close that gap step by step. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.